Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. But I'm so excited to bring you this kind of smoky rose gold nude tutorial, perfect for the party season, and I hope you love it. I've got loads of new products to show you, and actually I've got the latest beauty products from Skinny Dip that I can't wait to show you as well. But everything is super affordable. This is truly a party look on a budget, but I hope you love it. And I'm totally doing this intro as a voiceover because I forgot to film the intro. But here we go. Okay, so my hair is so frizzy right now, but let's ignore that. I'm going to start with using a Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This is by Revolution. I know that this is really affordable. I don't know exactly how much this is, but I think it's around £10. I am just kind of making that up, but I know it's really affordable, and of course that is the theme. I love the applicator to this. Look, it's like a giant kind of like Shape Tape Tarte concealer. Is this the right? Oh, this looks like a pretty good match, you know, this foundation. Where is my mirror? Oh, here it is. Little compact mirror. How cute is it? It's by Skinny Dip and it's like glittery and so beautiful. I just love it. It's got a mirror both sides. One is a little bit more magnifying than the other. I can see every single pore. Wow, love that. I think I fancy using a brush today to blend in my foundation. I have got my brush roll at the ready. How gorgeous is this icy blue fur brush roll and makeup case by Skinny Dip. I am obsessed with all of Skinny Dip's, like the aesthetics and the packaging, and this is just so soft, and you roll it out and you've got your brushes in here which you can buy individually or as sets, and then you have an amazing little extra pouch for any makeup bits or any extra brushes that you want. So I'm going to use the Flat Out Fabulous C3 brush by Skinny Dip. It's like got marble handle with a rose gold detailing at the top, and it's completely flat and perfect for buffing in my foundation for a flawless finish. This brush is really so soft on the skin. This foundation is buffing in really nicely. Love how that's buffed in. Now I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Concealer in C2. I'm just going to give this a few dabs in the places I want to brighten. Oh, it's quite thick, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to look cakey. Oh wow, okay, I think I might have put too much on. Actually, this is blending out really nicely. Might be a bit too light for me, I'm not gonna lie. It's got quite a like glowy, dewy texture and finish to it, which is actually really desirable. Lots of people want a dewy finish, but I'm just intrigued to see whether it's going to slide or not as I put the powders and contour on. Okay, I'm now going to set that with my Skinny Dip Fleek Bones C1 brush, which is like a dome kind of shape. I mean, you can use this as a blush brush or highlight or contour, whatever you want really, but I feel like this is a really nice shape to just kind of pat under my eye with loose powder. And this is the Coty Airspun powder. I actually get this from Amazon for like £14, which is half the price of my favourite Laura Mercier powder. I'd say it's nearly as good as Laura Mercier, which is still amazing. So just packing that on. I'm now going to use this amazing bronzer. It's the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Sun-Kissed, which is, I think, one of their medium tones. And it smells like holidays, and it's got kind of a gorgeous little rippling detail on the actual product itself. And I'm going to use that same Fleek Bones, is that what it is? Yeah, Fleek Bones. I'm going to use that same Fleek Bones brush, yes, to bronze up and to carve a little contour, to warm my face up, to revive me from death. Love this, love the brush, love the way all the products are flawlessly blending into one another, because I did worry that that base was going to be too thick, but actually it's not looking thick at the moment. Okay, so I am personally at my desired level of bronze right now. I have concentrated on contouring rather than bronzing my whole face up. And it might look quite extreme, but I'm going to blend it all together as we go along. I am now going to blush up my cheeks and just add a little bit of kind of a rosy flush to them. But we're on a budget and I'm going to use this incredible eyeshadow palette by Skinny Dip. This is the Gold Baby Solid Gold eyeshadow palette by Skinny Dip. Love the packaging, and wait till you see the shades. They're just so beautiful. You've got shimmers, you've got pinks, and you've got some darker shades to create some smoky looks. But I'm going to take the little shade Angel Baby onto my blusher brush and just add a little flush of colour. Cute. I'm now going to just quickly do my brows with one little pencil by Benefit. It's precisely my brow pencil. I love this, oh my goodness. It's actually incredible. I know it's not budget so much, but there is one that I was trying to find by NYX that's exactly the same. I'll link it below. I'll link everything below. And it's very similar. It's not as good as this, but it's like the Fine Micro Pencil by NYX, and it must be about, I don't know, £8, whereas this is, I think, comes around 20, I'm not sure. But this is amazing, so if you fancy splurging on an eyebrow pencil, I would highly recommend. I mean, nay, slay. Oh, looking so much better. I am going to carry on using that little brow pencil to create a few little freckles because my freckles disappear in the winter. Cute. Little beauty spot. Okay, so now for the eye, I want to do something really gold. I'm going to use this gorgeous palette. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go in with Rise and Grind, which is the dark kind of shade of the palette with a purpley undertone. The brush that I'm using for this is the Crease Police E2 brush. I'm just using that all over to blend, and then I'm using an empty, and then I'm using Blend Baby Blend E3 that has nothing on it, to just buff that out to make it all even. Now I'm using the pure gold shade, but I've just put some on my finger because I just feel like this. Oh wow, this is gonna pack it on the most. And I just want to concentrate on the center of my lid and then blend around that so it's all smooth. I'm then gonna take the shade Frosted and just pop some on my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm gonna take some more of that pure gold, pop it underneath my eye. And then before I do my mascara and lashes, I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of this serum. This is Lilash Serum, and it makes your lashes grow so long. This is why my lashes are quite thick and long at the moment. But yeah, it's Lilash, and you can get it from castawaybeauty.com. Castaway is actually a company that I started where I sell my wigs, but I honestly believe in that lash growth product so much. I was like, I need to stock this in the UK so everyone can get hold of it, because I'm always talking about it and it's such a nightmare to get hold of in the UK and a lot of places in the world, so we ship worldwide. So yeah, go and grab it if you want long luscious lashes. I don't think I'm going to go for a liner. I think I'm going to keep this kind of smoky and golden, and I'm going to go straight in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, which I love. You can start to see how long my lashes are now actually because of that serum. It's actually crazy. I am going to put some lashes on too. I'm going to use, oh, this is my friend's collaboration. This is Danny DeFreitas's collaboration with Ardell, and these lashes are so beautiful. They're like wispies, which I love, and I do tend to coat these with mascara as well to give them the extra va-va-voom. Okay, so now we have some fluttery, smoky golden eyes. We can move on to the lips, and I'm going to use one of the Pout Power lip duos by Skinny Dip, and this is the kit in shade So Fine. Okay, wow. For anyone that thought that Skinny Dip just did phone cases and accessories, you need to get to know all of their beauty products, because look at this gorgeous nude combo. I'm actually obsessed. Actually, do you know what? I'm gonna be extra. I'm gonna use a bath bomb as a shimmer for the lips and for my highlights. I've got this bath bomb from Skinny Dip that smells amazing. I showed it in my stories the other day. And it's the honey I'm the bomb bath fizzer bar, which has like the gorgeous honeycomb texture. But let me show you the pigment on this. Oh, it smells like a mixture between, like, I don't know, something really fresh and soapy and like honey as well. It's just so gorgeous. But look at the pigment. I mean, hello. I'm gonna put a bit on my cheekbones. Oh wow, yes. This is amazing. You can literally use this as a makeup product, use all the pigment, and then chuck it in the bath and have a luxury bath time when you've basically used all the pigment. Wow, okay, I'm living for this look. I mean, it's turned into like a rose gold look, which I absolutely love. I hope you love it too. You can grab all of the products down below. But just to finish the video off, I'm just going to style my hair and also style an outfit, and I want to show you the finished look. So I'll be right back. And I'm back, and I've just curled my hair with the Mark Hill tongs, which are amazing. The curling wand is incredible. And then I'm wearing my shirt that I actually designed. It's part of my In The Style collection. I hope you love it as much as me. I'm gonna link it below, but I'm so proud of it. It's really kind of Fendi inspired, but it's perfect for a party look when you want to be neutral but still have a statement print. I've styled it with this skirt, which also is part of my In The Style range. I'm just obsessed with everything. Please go and check out my range within the style. I am so proud of it. There's about 25 to 30 pieces in the whole range, but I feel like this is really cute to complement a golden makeup look or a smoky makeup look this season, especially for going out to those parties or for those dinners. I feel like the whole look just ties together perfectly. And I hope that you love this makeup tutorial. You have to go and grab all of the new Skinny Dip beauty products. I mean, they're so affordable and so high quality. I'm very impressed, and the fact that you can use a bath bomb as a highlighter is epic. Be sure to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well, because we can have chats about what more you want to see from me, and it's just a really good way to keep up with you guys, for you to keep up with me and for us to communicate. Have a little chat really. I'll be reading and replying to all your comments down below as per usual. But until next time, my beauties, love you lots. Mwah. Bye.